Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker Engine latest version on RHEL 10. Either it may be 10 or 10.1 or later versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to Docker official website. It is docker.com. Then hover mouse on this developers, then click on documentation, then click on manuals, then click on Docker Engine, then install, then select the RHEL. See here, prerequisites OS requirements. To install Docker Engine, you need to maintain a version of the following RHEL versions 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm on RHEL 10. So if there are any older versions, we have to uninstall by running this command. So copy this entire command, then open terminal. Then run that command. Provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. Type A for confirmation, hit enter. Control A. Now scroll down. See here we have the different methods. Set up Docker repository, or you can download the RPM package. So in this video I am going to install by using RPM repository. Then first we have to set up the repository. So run these commands one by one. Paste it, hit enter. It is already installed. Now install. Now add this repository. It is done. Control A. Now install Docker Engine. See here we have the two options, specific version or latest one. I am going to install latest version. So just click on this copy button. Entire command will be copied, or you can just select it. Okay, it is up to you. Then paste it, hit enter. See, it is going to install CE, CLI, container and others. Okay, so type A for confirmation. See, it is installing 7 packages and this is the download size. This is the install size required. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we are installing Docker version 29. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, this and this both are same. Type A and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now check the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl control systemctl status Docker, hit enter. See, Docker is installed but it is not started. So you have to quit, start it and enable it. Sudo systemctl start Docker. Now enable it. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is running and it is enabled. Quit control A. Now verify the installation by running this hello world image. Sudo Docker run hello world. See, we have successfully executed. Okay, so control A. Now verify the version of the Docker version. This typo. See, we have installed 29. Okay, if you want to get more information, just you need to give sudo Docker version. See, you got the more information. Every time to avoid this sudo, we have to run this command. Sudo usermod -az, then group name Docker, then current user, that is $user. Okay, hit enter. Now run the Docker version. See, still we got the same. So to effect the changes, we have to log off and log in back. Then no need to give this sudo. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Docker Engine latest version, that is 29 on RHEL 10. Okay, for more Docker or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.